Hello everyone, this is Alvin from Shining 3D. Today we embark on an exploration of the forefront of 3D scanning technology with the introduction of our latest marvel, the FreeScan Trio. The FreeScan Trio is the first marker-free handheld laser scanner with 98 lines and 3 high-resolution cameras and self-developed algorithm. The FreeScan Trio can scan without markers if the scanned object has enough features. And next, let's start demonstration. Due to a large number of laser lines and 3 5-megapixel cameras, the scanning speed can reach up to 301 million points per second. If the tracking loss occurred during scanning, just go back to the area you already scanned and continue. To expand the application range of the scanners, we also allow it works with markers under 90-line mode, the hybrid mode, and markers mode. Under the hybrid mode, the scanner will align frames using markers and features. You can only paste markers on area without features, and for those areas with features, do not need to put markers. It will also make your scanning project more efficient. And for markers mode, the scanner will scan only markers, and you can switch the light source to 26 cross lines, 7 parallel lines, or single line under this mode, adding more flexibility to the scanning. If the tracking loss occurred during scanning, just go back to the area you already scanned and continue. This is all for the 90-line mode. Next, we will introduce another incredible function, the built-in photogrammetry.